Keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world. Waking up with the sunrise just got a whole lot easier. Get instant alerts even if you're miles away. Ditch the keys, enter your home with just a touch. Control any device remotely, right from your phone. Keep your garden green without lifting a finger. The future of food storage is here. Cooking just got a whole lot smarter. Wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. Let the robot do the cleaning, you deserve a break.